Hello, in front of me I've got CAT S75. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can enable or disable dark theme and night light, and we can also schedule the dark theme and night light, and also we can adjust night light intensity. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes and enable or disable screen attention function. Next, we can change screen refresh rate between adaptive, standard and 120 Hz, and then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen. Next, we can change font size, display size, set screensaver, and manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. In the end, we can enable or disable lift to wake, waterproof, dustproof, and glove mode. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.